Good afternoon, dosto. Uh, Welcome all of you in current affairs class. We are going to discuss some current affairs related with 2023 or 2024. It is really important for coming UPSC or BPSC pre. I think all the points which I'm going to discuss will be really helpful in your preparation. So, then come on. Friends, first of all, I'm going to discuss about Sudarshan Setu Lake. Okay, Sudarshan Setu. Sudarshan Setu. Sudarshan Setu. First of all, just I'm making the map. Okay, through map we will discuss each and everything. Okay, this is all of you know this is the map of Gujarat. Okay, and here is a point called Dwarka. Okay, Dwarika, and here is a small island. Okay, it's called Bet Dwarika. Bet or Vet Dwarika. Vet Dwarika. Okay. And Sudarshan Setu just jointed this point. Sudarshan Setu just jointed this point. Okay. This point inaugurated by our PM Narendra Modi. Okay. And Sudarshan Setu, it is a cable stayed bridge. Okay. The longest cable stayed bridge in the country. Longest cable stayed bridge in the country. Okay, and this is the mainland of uh, Gujarat. Okay, it is Dwarika, Bet Dwarika, and this from here to here, Sudarshan Setu is jointing both this point. Okay, and the length of Sudarshan Setu is about 2.32 kilometer. Length 2.32 kilometer. Okay, kilometer. If we discuss, then it is a Gulf of Khambhat. Gulf of Khambhat. Okay, Gulf of Khambhat. Gulf of Khambhat, and it is a Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch, and here it is Run of Kutch. Okay, Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch. Okay, Run of Kutch. You can also KCHCH. Okay, Kutch. You can also write Kutch like this and this way also. Okay, Sudarshan Setu. Here it is. Okay. Now, friends. Um Now another topic we will discuss. Okay, about trilateral exercise Dosti 16. Okay, trilateral exercise Dosti 16. Okay, please take a screenshot of it. Okay, then come on. Then our next topic, trilateral exercise dosti 16. Trilateral exercise dosti 16. Okay, dosti 16. Trilateral, it means three countries are participating in this military exercise. Okay, it is a collaboration of three parties, just like India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Okay, the three countries trilateral: India, Sri Lanka, and the third one is Maldives. Okay, Maldives. Okay, and if we draw pictures here, just okay, here it is Lakshadweep, here it is Maldives, and here it is, okay, Maldives, Sri Lanka, India. Okay, it is Lakshadweep. Okay, and this point is also important. It is Diego Garcia. Diego Garcia. This point is also very important. Diego Garcia. Diego Garcia is British Indian Ocean Territory. Okay, Diego Garcia is British Indian. British Indian Ocean Territory. Ocean Territory. Trilateral exercise dosti 16. Okay, India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives collaborated in this trilateral military exercise. Okay, Maldives is here. Okay, Diego Garcia is another point, other island. Okay, which is a British Indian Ocean Territory. Okay, and actually, it is Diego Garcia. On this island, British troops or sometimes USA troops also present in this island. Okay, just to overlook the Indian Ocean. Okay, then it's the second important topic. Okay, trilateral exercise. Then come to the third one. Friends, recently IIT Guwahati launched India's largest drone pilot training program. Okay, Guwahati, IIT Guwahati, okay, IIT Guwahati launches India's largest drone pilot training organization. Okay, then just say that you must know about the position of Guwahati in Assam and other seven sisters. Okay, another seven sisters, its capital, it's also very important. Okay, then just draw a map of seven sisters. Okay, like this one. Guwahati, okay, Assam, this one is representing Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, okay, Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, here it is Meghalaya, okay, Meghalaya, then Manipur, then Manipur, okay, Manipur, then Mizoram, Mizoram, and then Tripura, okay, then this one is Tripura, then Tripura, okay. Mizoram, Mizoram capital, all of you know, Aizawl, Aizawl. Manipur, the capital of Manipur is Imphal, Imphal, Nagaland, Kohima, okay. Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, okay. Meghalaya, Shillong, Tripura, Agartala, Agartala. It means Guwahati, IIT Guwahati. We are talking about the IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati launches India's largest drone pilot program. IIT Guwahati launches launched India's launched India's largest drone pilot training organization program. Organization program, okay. In this way, this is short video. Okay, friends, in just our few hours, just we will send another important video on currents. Thank you for watching. Okay, goodbye.